I come, yeah, I confess, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one that guides my heart. Lord, I need you, oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness, oh God, how I need you. Where sin runs deep, your grace is more. Where grace is found, that's where you are. And where you are, Lord, I am free. Holiness is Christ in me. Lord, I need you, oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness, oh God, how I need you. So teach my song to rise to you. When temptation comes my way, and when I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. So teach my song to rise to you. When temptation comes my way, and when I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. Lord, I need you, oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness, oh God, how I need you. You're my one defense, my righteousness, oh God, how I need you. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Lord I Need You by Matt Maher. If you saw some chords in this cover that you didn't know what they were, that's because these were advanced guitar chords. And if you want to learn some of those advanced guitar chords, I put together something for you called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. It's completely free. It's a PDF of just 25 new chord shapes that you can use. So instead of playing a G like this, you can play it like this or whatever. There's 25 advanced guitar chords down in the description below. So click that link and sign up for that, and I'll send it to you for free. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.